Hi, welcome to Loch Benaveen in the Scottish Highlands. It's a very warm day today, so I'm going to make a nice light lunch of chicken, orzo pasta, and a nice lemon butter sauce to go with it. So I'll go and get prepared. I'll be back in a second or two, ready to cook. What I've got here is just some diced chicken breast in some olive oil. So I'll just brown that off a little bit. And I have red peppers and garlic. So I'm just going to cut those up. The chicken won't take too long to cook through. The Frangia is quite hot. But before it gets too done, we'll want to add our orzo, which is just little pasta, pearl type things. I'll add a couple of hands of orzo and some water. Just cut up the red peppers into strips. At this point, I will add a bit of salt, some pepper, and some mixed herbs. Right, we'll just leave that to simmer for a bit longer. I've just roughly chopped the garlic, so that can go in. I'll add in the peppers. Next we need to put half a lemon's worth of juice in. And we go with lemon juice. Now we add a couple of spoons of butter. That looks pretty much done, so it's time to eat. That's our lemon chicken orzo finished. fact, I'm just going to eat it out of this bowl, I think. Save me washing up later on. It's really nice. Perfect light lunch for a summer's day. Right, I'm going to go and eat the rest of this and then enjoy the rest of this glorious weather. Alright, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.